Page 18, question 3. You know, basically, I'll repeat this again when more people come in. Just a quick heads up for the next 2 weeks, okay? For the next 2 weeks, I won't be here. You will have a relief coach, okay? But then after that, it'll be me again, lah. So it's just for the next 2 weeks, okay? Yeah. All right. Nice. Any questions you can ask the relief coach. You can also ask me after I come back. Okay. Okay. Great. I'll repeat this data for your friends who are not here yet. Okay. All right, question 3. Can I get somebody to read it, please? Siren, can you read question 3, just this part? This part.
2,148 people visited the zoo on Sunday.
Saturday.
Saturday. 680 fewer people visited the zoo on Sunday.
Okay, very good. Part A. Iman, can you help us read part A first? Okay, great. So guys, remember how to decide whether we're drawing a comparison or part whole model? Comparison model, we must see what kind of phrase? Hello, everybody? Comparison model, we should see what kind of phrase?
Comparison phrase.
Thank you, Samaya. Comparison phrase, okay? Something more than, something less than, something fewer than, okay? So do we see a fewer here that is being used as a comparison phrase? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we do. Where is it? How many fewer?
680.
Very good. Thank you, Sumaya. 680 fewer. Everyone underline this. Okay, underline this part. 680 fewer. This is our comparison phrase. So if we see a comparison phrase, we should draw what kind of model?
Comparison.
Ah, very good. Not part whole, right? Comparison model. Okay, what are we comparing here? We're comparing the number of people who went on Saturday with the number of people who went on Sunday. Okay, Elvira, which one has more people? Saturday or Sunday? Very good, Saturday. On Sunday, we have fewer people. Fewer people is for Sunday. So on Saturday, we would have more people. So what we can do is we can draw our model first. We don't have to spell out the whole thing. We can just write it like this. Saturday, we have more people. So we can draw a longer rectangle. Please make sure you draw using a ruler, okay? And then Sunday, we have fewer people. Okay, everyone use a ruler, right? Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're done with drawing this part of the model. Okay, thank you, Iman. Okay, thanks, Sumaya. Thank you, Suyin. Where is it? Hello. I like your hat. Very nice hat. Let me just update the attendance. Okay, Kritika, can we take out your notes? We are at page 18, question 3. Okay? Page 18, question 3. Okay, yeah. Let's see the page 18. This one I will mark later. Okay. This page. Okay, this page. Okay, page 18, question 3. Right now we are drawing our model. So remember, a comparison model is when you see a comparison phrase, like something fewer, something more. Okay, this is 680 fewer. We see a comparison phrase, so we draw a comparison model. You can draw this part first. Okay. You need sharpener. Okay, let me find. Let me just do this first, okay? If anyone needs a ruler or anything, please let me know. You need a ruler, okay. Nice. You need eraser also. Yeah, let me find it. Anybody else needs anything? No? Right, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask for them back after class, okay? Because we have a limited supply. All right, thank you very much. Nice. Okay, pretty cool. Give me a thumbs up if you are done with this part, okay? All right, very nice. Everyone done? Done, huh? Okay, so we know that there are fewer people on Sunday, which is why there are more people on Saturday. Okay, so even if they don't say there are more people on Saturday, as long as they say there are fewer people on Sunday, that means Saturday has more. Okay, what is the difference? This part here. What is the, oops. What is this part here, Pritika? Ah, the extra, right? This is the difference. What is the difference? Difference means how many more or how many fewer. Do we already know from the question? Okay, how many more or fewer? Ah, which one is fewer? Sunday is fewer, right? By how much? Very good, 680, okay? So this is 680. So remember, the gap between the bigger amount and the smaller amount, we call that the difference. That is how much more or how much fewer, okay? All good so far? Kenna? Okay, so we have the difference here. Is there any other information that the question has given us already? Are there any other numbers that the question has given us? There are two numbers, right? So we wrote one of the numbers already, 680. What is the other number? Very good, 2,148. What is that? That is for Saturday. Excellent. So you guys can draw an arrow for Saturday like this and write down 2,148. Okay, everyone make sure you've labeled Saturday 2,148. Sorry? Very good. Okay, so for part A, we're looking for the number of people who went on Sunday. So this is what we're looking for part A. You can draw a question mark and you can also put a bracket and put A so that you know, this is what I'm looking for question A. Okay, so very good. Pritika has shared with us already. What we can do is we can take the number of people on Saturday and minus off the difference, which is 680. Okay, now can everyone work this out, please? Okay, make sure you write down your number sentence and your working at the side. Remember, right? You are not Sumaya.
Hmm?
That small person in front of you is not Sumaya. Hi. Okay, so remember, number sentence is for the examiner, it's for the teacher. You. Okay. Later, when you answer a question, you can unmute, okay? All right, so everyone try and do the working. Done? Excellent. Okay, let's wait for your friends is working. Nice. Mine is right. No, it's going from the this one. The one that is small one is 0510. Here's the one go. The one go beside the 4. We let's restart together, okay? Shall we go together, Elvira? Okay, guys, let's do the working together just as a recap for everyone, okay? How many wish first, okay, Elvira? So first things first, always make sure our ones place is one on top of the other. Make sure that your 8 is on top of your 0, okay? The second thing that we have to make sure of is if we need to rename, okay, if we need to borrow from anywhere, we must borrow from the number beside, okay? Not two numbers away, but the number beside. What do I mean by that? So first, 8 minus 0 is 8, no problem there, right? Okay? Then next, 4 minus 8, can or cannot? Can. Hello. Just a little bit, it's okay. Let me just take Nyla's attendance. Okay, Nyla, we're on page 18, question 3, okay? All right, so 4 cannot minus 8, right? What do we do? What do? We borrow from the place beside it, okay? Now, look carefully. Don't borrow from 2 first, okay? Don't borrow from 2. We borrow from 1. When you borrow from 1, the 1 becomes 0. Then where does the 1 go? The 1 goes to the 4. Okay? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me get you the notes. Let me see, page 18 until 21. Okay. Can help me spend once out 18 21. Basically, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Hi, Samaya, welcome back. Okay, hold on, Naila. We will print it out for you. Don't worry. You can try out question 3 later on. Okay, then I think by the time we're at question 4, you should have your papers already. All right. So the 1 goes to 4. Now the 4 becomes 14, right? 14 minus 8 is what? Don't worry. Happens. Oh no, have you had your breakfast? It's okay. This is yours? Okay. Okay, do you need some water or anything? Do you have water? Do you have water? Yeah. Okay, you need to drink some water. Okay. Oh, that's yours, is it? Oh, okay. Oh, don't worry about it. Are these yours or? Okay, careful of you guys. All right. So what's 14 minus 8 again? Excellent. 6. Okay, so this is 6. Then we see 0 cannot minus 6. So now we borrow again. Okay. Cancel the 2 becomes 1. The 0 becomes 10. Okay, what's 10 minus 6? 4. Thank you. Is okay? Yeah, you okay? Did you get 4? Okay, do you understand why it's 10 minus 6? Okay, very good. So we put a 4 here. All right, and then we have the 1 minus nothing. So that's just 1. Okay. So this is 1,468. This is the number of people on Sunday. So we can write this down first. 1,468. Okay. Nani, do you have any paper or anything with you? Paper. Okay, hold on. Yeah, you can just write things down here first. It's one of those days, guys. Thank you. Okay. This is for you. Did something else get taken? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Please, everyone knows how to do part A? Okay, great. Next, part B. How many people visited the zoo on both days? What do we do to find out how many people visited on both days? So we're actually looking for this part. From here to here, this is our question mark for part B. Okay, so Naila, what you can do is you can take this down later if you want. Okay, you can retry the question again later. Yes, very good. We're looking for all together. All together is plus. So we add the number of people on Saturday and Sunday. How many people went on Saturday? Anybody? How many people went on Saturday? Okay, 2,148 people. What about on Sunday?
1,468.
Very good, 1,468. Okay. Yeah, don't show the answer first, okay? Let's wait for other people to work it out as well. So 1 plus 4 plus 6, is it still 4? Which 1 plus 4 is? 9 plus 6. 7 plus 6. Sorry? No, we know that that's just looking at this one. So we're not looking at first. This one. 1 plus 6. No, you can. So this is not you know what is it? No, yes. Yes, one is not. Nice. Nice. We always start with the hundreds or thousands place. We always start with the one place. Hey guys, remember we always start with the one place. Okay, in case you need to carry over. All right. Let's try this. Okay, nice. Elvira, what's the answer? Very good. Okay, 3,616. So don't forget, always start from our ones place. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now don't forget to count what we carried over. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So put a 1 here first and carry over the tens place. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's how we get 3,616. This is the number of people who went all together. Okay? All good so far? Okay so far? Okay. Naila, what you can do is you can try out the model on your own, okay? You can also watch the recording for the previous part as well. All right? Okay. Okay, come, let's look at question number 4. All right, Naila, can you help us read question 4, please?
Yes.
Okay, do you need to go home? Okay, come, hold on. Sorry guys, I forgot to press record. Okay, so we know that there is no comparison phrase in this question. We draw a part-whole model. All right, the whole thing represents what? It represents how much money Farah has at first. How much money does she have at first?
$6,560.
Very good, Syrian. Okay, so you can draw an arrow from one end all the way to the other end. This whole thing is $6,560. Okay? Elvira, if you feel like it's too loud, do you feel like it's too loud? Do you want to rest somewhere quiet? Yeah, okay, come. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Just give me a moment. Okay, let's put in your bed. Okay, so we're going to cut this up into parts. What parts are we going to cut it up into? What she spends on and what she has left. Okay, so what's the first thing that she buys? Nyla, what's the first thing that she buys?
Bag.
Ah, okay, bag. All right. Yeah, Nyla, how much is the bag? And 50, very good, $3,850. Okay, so what we can do is we can cut the model somewhere around here because this is quite a big amount, right? So we can label this as bag. Okay, what is this amount? This amount is $3,850. Okay? Okay, then she buys what else? Pritika? This clothes. Very good. Clothes. How much does she spend on the clothes?
318.
Very good, $218. So not very much. We don't have to cut out a huge part. We can just cut out somewhere around here, write down clothes. Okay, and label this part as $218. Okay. How shall we label everything else? We can call it left. Hold on. Let's just write down left first. Okay, so now we're only drawing the model, okay? So we don't know what this part is. Okay, we can just draw an arrow first. Sorry, hold on. Hold on, give me a moment. Let me just settle Elvira first. Okay, now what's part A asking for? Part A is asking for how much? She? We're looking for how much she spent. So which part is how much she spent? Which part? Which part is how much she spent, guys? Is it the left? Clothes, bag, which part? Clothes and bag. Good. So what we can do is we can draw another arrow below clothes and bag. This is what we're looking for part A. Okay. For part B, we're looking for how much Farah had left. Okay. How much she had left. So we're looking at this part here. This is for part B. Okay, everyone okay so far?
Let's do part A first.
Yes, we'll do part A first. Okay, so how do we do part A? We're looking for the total amount she spent. What do we do? Plus or minus? Plus, very good. What plus what?
2250 plus 213.
Excellent. Okay, so this is $3,850 plus $218. Reminder, start from your ones place. Why are we so true? Okay, you start on the model. This one is right below. Okay. Wow, long letters, you're getting at the machine. So remember, the arrows are part of the model, okay? The arrows should be close to the model. Everything else you can write below the arrows. Okay, let's give your friends some time to work it out. If you are done with part A, you can try out part B as well.
Zero minus from 0.68.
Minus the total amount spent. Very good. Now, if you're not sure about part B, you can wait first, okay? Okay, is everyone done with part A? No. Done? Okay. Are you done with part A? Yes, all right. So, Naila, what's your answer for part A? Okay, part B. All right, very good, Pratika. Okay, Naila, what's your answer for part A? You can just read out the digits also, it's okay. So whatever you got, it's okay. Oh, yes, I'm changing. Right. What's your answer? And yes, very good. Exactly that. $4,068. Okay, everyone check your answer for part A. Okay. So be very careful because if you get part A wrong, you'll have the wrong number to minus in part B. Okay. So this is our answer for part A. Pratika, shall we go through part B together? Okay. How do you find out how much money Farah had left?
6560 minus 0.68.
Excellent. Okay. So when we're looking for left, we are looking for this part. Whenever we're looking for a part, we minus. Okay. We're looking for a single part, we minus. We take the total, $6,560, and we minus off what was spent, which is $4,068. Okay. Everyone who's not done with part B, can you please try out part B first? Okay, if you're done, just check your work again. Okay. How do we check? You can do your working a second time just to make sure that you've got the right answer. Okay, give me a thumbs up when you're done working out part B. Thank you. Hey, Shamaya, you got your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your answer?
I'm still checking if
Oh,
I
it's
got
not-
the answer correct.
Okay, can. Okay, that's great. If you are done, always check your work. Minus 6. How many fingers can you hold that? Minus 6. What are the smaller number? What's the smaller number? 15 minus. So the smaller number? 6. Can come back. You know. Yes. Minus is coming backwards. Nice. All right. How's my answer? You're muted, yeah?
I'm not done yet.
Okay. Do you want to do it together?
Yeah.
Okay, come, let's do it together, Sumaya. Okay? 6560 minus 4068. Okay? So what do we do first, Sumaya? Which place?
Ones place.
Very good. 0 can minus 8?
Cannot.
Cannot. We borrow from the?
6.
Excellent. The 6 becomes?
5.
Then the 1 goes to the?
0.
What's 10 minus 8?
2.
Good. Then 5 can minus 6?
Cannot.
Cannot. We borrow from the?
5.
5. 5 becomes?
4.
Then the other 5 becomes?
15.
Excellent. Then 15 minus 6 is?
9.
Good. 4 minus 0 is?
4.
6 minus 4 is?
2.
There we go. Okay. Okay, everyone. So this is $2,492. Any questions for this or question 3?
No.
No questions? Okay, if not, you guys can go for your 5-minute break first. When you come back, we will continue with the next few word problems, okay? Okay, see you. Okay, guys, we're going to continue with the word problems first, and then if we have time, we're going to go to our next topic, which is money. Money. Oops. Oh no, it's blur. Never mind. Money. Okay? Come on, let's look at question number 5. Box A, B, and C contain some toys. Box A contains 1,115 toys. This should have an S here. While box B contains 743 toys. Okay? So how many boxes are there, guys? Oh, S. That's an S. You put an S here and here. Okay, because singular contains. Typo. They were thinking so much about the math that they forgot about the S. Okay? Yes. How many boxes are in the question? How many boxes? Naila, how many boxes are there in the question? 1, 2, 5. How many boxes? A. Are there any other boxes in the question? So how many boxes? 3 boxes, okay? Now for the first sentence, sorry, for the first 2 sentences, okay, from here to here, this whole part, okay? How many boxes do we know how many toys there are in? Do we know about all 3 boxes or do we only know about 2 of them? Do we know how many boxes, how many toys there are in A?
No, yes.
No, yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, box A contains 1,115 toys. What about box B?
736.
Very good. What about box C? We don't know, right? Okay, so what do? We draw the model for A and B first, okay? Okay, we'll look at part B later, okay? But box C is not 2500, that is box A and box C. Okay, so that's a total for box A and box C. Okay, so what we can do for part A is we can draw the model for A and B first. Okay? Is there a comparison phrase in this question? Is there a comparison phrase in this question? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where's the comparison phrase? Anyhow only, you all say yes, no, yes, no. Where's the comparison phrase? Is there a comparison phrase? More or less, fewer, greater? No, right? So we can just draw a what kind of model? Very good, Pritika, okay? So we can just draw a part whole model, all right? Okay, because we are interested in knowing what A and B have all together. We can call this one box A and this one box B. How come box B is so small? Because box A has 1,115 toys and box B has 743 toys. So we want to know how many they have all together. So how do we find out how many they have all together? Plus, very good, okay? So we can take 1,115 plus 743. Here, everyone work this out. Don't shout out the answer first, okay? Okay.
I haven't started yet doing the question mark.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't rush, don't rush. I just draw first so you can see what you're supposed to draw, okay? No worries, no rush. Oh, you use a very nice rectangle. The rectangle already so nice. Okay, this is possible. Hey guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Some of you take a long time because you keep erasing and redoing it. Yeah, that's very pretty already, very nice. That's so easy. It's, oh, okay, okay, it's too squeezy, I understand. Okay. So remember, if there's no comparison phrase, no need to draw comparison model. Just draw a part whole model. Okay, nice. So Maya, I'm gonna ask you how much, okay? Oh, I don't know. Let me throw it away. Yeah. Can I use a tissue to throw away the tissue? Because okay. Everyone doing? Okay, okay. Go on. You know, to the working society. No, you're not. Yeah, you're not on. Come on, Sam. Nice. Good job. Okay, very good. Let's go, Siri, let's go. Have I done the equation? Yes. Nice. Okay, so Maya, can we hear your answer, please? Hey, where's Maya disappear? What's your answer?
1858.
Very good. 1858. Everyone got that, yeah? Okay, so that's our first answer. All right, next, part B. Now, for your actual work in school, please write down your answer statement, okay? For now, in the interest of time, thank you. For now, in the interest of time, we're just going to continue with part B, all right? Now, in part B, what do we know about box A and C? They contain how many toys altogether? Very good, okay? 2,500 toys altogether. Are there comparison phrases in part B? Is there a comparison phrase in part B? Yes or no? No, don't have. No more than, no less than. What do we draw? Part whole model involving how many boxes?
Three.
Is it 3? For part B, we're only interested in what and what?
A and T.
A and C. So how many boxes do we need? Just 2. Okay, so we can draw another part whole model. This time around, we will only have box.
That's A and T and C.
But C is repeated, right? But very good, okay? So C is already repeated, okay? So we just need to draw 2 boxes. Box A and box C, okay? So let's call this box A, and this one is box C. Do we already know the total?
Yeah.
Yes, so we can write down the total. This whole thing is how much? What is the total?
2,500.
Very good, okay? So you continue drawing first. You can draw an arrow to show the total. This would be 2,500. Okay, let me draw this model first. Box A and box C. The total is 2,500. Thank you. Hey, are you done with the model? Yes, awesome. Okay, are you guys done?
Yes.
Okay, some of my friends are still not done. Okay, let's give them some time. If you know what else to include in the model, please include it. Okay, what else should we include in the model? Do we know box A already? Naila, do we already know what box A has? Naila, do we already know what box A has? What was your question in part A? It was about. Hey, not a question in part A. What does the top model say? Box A has how many? Okay, but before that, when we drew our model for part A, how many toys did we say were in box A? Yeah, Naila, can you see it? How many? We're looking for box A or box B? Box A. Okay, if you're not sure about the model, look at the question. Look at the first sentence, the second sentence. Did we say how many toys are in box A already? Okay, Naila, let me know. How many toys are there in box A? Naila, can you read the first two sentences out loud? The first two sentences, that means here, all the way until here. Very good. Okay, so do we already know how many toys there are in box A? How many? And 50? Okay, very good. So 1,115, that is the number in box A. Okay, guys? So always reread the question. Sometimes the information is in the question and you miss it out. Okay? So that is box A. It doesn't change in part B. So for box A, we can still write that box A has 1,115 toys. What are we looking for in question B? How many toys are there in For question B, how many toys are there in
Box C.
box C? Okay, so our question mark should be here. Okay, how do we find box C? Yes, Iman. Very good. So if we know that we're looking for a part. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. So we know we are looking for a part. To find a part, we minus 2,500, which is the total, minus the part that we don't want. Okay, we don't want box A, we only want box C. Okay, everyone try and work out this part, please. Okay, very good. Sirin, you're done as well? Excellent. Okay, everyone else, work this out first. Give me a thumbs up when you are done. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. No need, because this is just toys, right?
Then I'm start toys.
No need, just write the number.
Untuk kita this my other teacher explain they ask me to write the label or the unit. If I don't have the label, then label I write the postage label and put it.
Ayo. Don't need. The only time we need to write is for what we call units of measurement. Okay? For example, dollar sign need to write. Milliliters need to write. Liters need to write. cm need. kg need. Okay? For these times, we need to write.
That
That one is for your answer statement. Okay, do you know what an answer statement is? The sentence that you write at the end of the question. For example, for part A, we can write, there are 1,858 toys in box A and box B in total. Okay? Yeah, so that's our answer statement. We can try and write an answer statement for B just so you get used to it, okay? Okay, so does everyone have the answer for B already? Naila, do you have the answer for B? Do you need help? Okay, come, let's work it out together, okay? So, for B, 2,500 minus 1,115. Okay, let's work this out together. Okay, first, Naila, 0 can minus 5 or not? Cannot. Is there anything to borrow from here? Don't have. If there's nothing to borrow from here, then we borrow from the next place together. Okay, what do I mean by that? We can combine these two numbers. Okay. Combine these two numbers, treat them like one thing. Okay, 50. If I borrow 1 from 50, I'm left with 49, right? Okay, so the 5 becomes 4, the 0 becomes 9, and then the one that I borrowed, I put here. Okay. Then 10 minus 5 is?
10.
Yeah, this one is 10 now. Okay, 10 minus 5 is?
And so the 0 and then put there.
Some people do that. Okay, I just put the 1 there. Okay. Both are fine. Both are okay. Okay, 10 minus 5. How much is that, Naila? Very good. 9 minus 1? 4 minus 1? 2 minus 1? There we go. Okay, everyone check your answer.
Correct.
Nice, good job. Okay, guys, so just now to answer Pritika's question, what is an answer statement like? Now, please make sure that for your exams, for your tests, for your homework for school, you write down your answer statement. So any of your schoolwork, please write down your answer statement. Okay, what does it look like? It's a sentence that answers the question. So if the question asks, how many toys are there in box C? You can write down, there are 1,385 toys in box C. Okay, this is what an answer statement looks like. For your schoolwork, please write this down. Over here, don't need. Okay, over here, don't need, just because I want to go through more question types. Okay, if we do this. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is an example of an answer statement. So just now, Kritika was asking about units. If you have the number of stamps, the number of pencils, all of those are not units of measurement. For the blank, you don't have to write it down. If you have things like this, dollars, cents, milliliters, liters, centimeters, kilograms, these are all what we call units of measurement. So for example, I can't say that you are 140. 140 what? Centimeters tall. Okay? So the units are needed to make sense of the number. If not, the number doesn't make sense. I cannot say that Naila is 140 tall. 140 what? Okay? So we can say Naila is 140 centimeters tall. I can't say that the pencil case was 10. 10 what? $10. Okay? So for these units of measurement, you need to put. All right? For other things, items like pencils, stamps, don't need. Oh, it's okay. You can just write M with a straight line for the L. And L is okay also. Okay? Yeah, so don't worry about it.
My teacher will allow.
Your teacher doesn't allow, your teacher wants you to do this, is it? Okay, so it's like a ribbon, okay? Everyone can try it with me. Go up, down. Okay, come, let's try again. Okay, go up first. Okay, make it like a thin ribbon. Okay, we go up first. And then we go back down, and there is a bit of a, like that. Like that, okay? But make the this one a bit like longer. So like this, go up first, and then like that. Like that. Okay? Can everyone knows how to write letters? Okay, go up first, like that. Okay, you all know how to write letters? Okay, Ken? Ken, all right, everyone understands how to do this question? Okay, let's move on. Question 20. Don't forget to write your answer here, okay? 1385, 1385. Let's move on to question, not question 20, page 20. Page 20, question 6 first, okay? Sorry? Oh, yeah. All right, there were 5,000 people in a concert hall. 2,528 of them were women, 2,049 of them were men, and the rest were children. How many fewer children than women were there at the concert?
Concert is a piano.
Okay, at the piano lesson. Okay, so it's a concert. Okay, just ignore the picture. Okay, picture for decoration only. Okay, guys. So, is there a comparison phrase in this question? Where is it?
Fewer.
Yes, good. We are looking for how many fewer. How many fewer? That means we are looking for the difference. If we are looking for the difference, okay, or if we have a comparison phrase, okay, that means we have to draw what kind of model? A comparison model. Remember there are two kinds of models? Part whole or comparison model. So if you have a comparison phrase, then you draw a what model? Comparison model. Okay? If we have a comparison phrase, we are looking for the, we have to draw a comparison model. That means we have different rectangles, one on top of the other. Okay? So, how many rectangles should we draw all together?
2,
Is it 2 only?
3,
3, right? We have women, children, and men. Okay? So, let's draw the men first. How many men are there?
less
How many men are there, guys?
2, 0, 1.
Very good. So we can draw an arrow from here to here. We can write down that this is 2049, like this. Okay. Done? Everyone done with this part? Okay. Now next. Yes, very good. We'll draw women. Should women be longer or shorter? Longer, okay? Because we have more women. We have 2,528 women. Women. Okay. Oh, sorry? Just as big as you need it to be. Big, all right. Small can, right? Right. Big also can. Just make sure you can see it clearly. Oh, because I have a lot of space. That's why I have very little space, so I squeeze it there a bit. Yeah. Okay? All done? Ah, now for children, can you guys guess? Should it be longer or shorter than women? Should children be longer or shorter than women? Shorter. Sorry? Ah, very good. Okay, but how do we know it's shorter? Because the question says, how many fewer children than women? So that means children must be fewer or more than women? Fewer. Children must be fewer. So this should be shorter than women. Ah, and men as well. Okay. Are you okay? Do you need the washroom or anything? Okay. Okay, guys. So we want to know the difference. Where is the difference? The difference is the gap between women and children. This is what we need to find. Ah, okay, very good. So there's another detail here, which is our all together. How many people are there all together?
5000.
Excellent, 5,000. There are 5,000 people all together. Okay? So what we're looking for is this part here, the difference. Okay, question guys, how do we find it? Very good. We find the difference by subtracting. What minus what? The number of women minus the number of, is it? What's the question asking for?
50000.
Yeah, don't tell me numbers first. We need to understand the question first. So this is why a lot of people struggle with word problems. They just take the numbers and then they do stuff with the numbers. Before we do that, we need to understand the question. Okay? So don't pick the numbers first. Let's read the question carefully first. We want to find the difference between what and what. Guys, we want to find the difference between what and what. Look at the last sentence. Not numbers. Don't give me numbers. Look at the last sentence of the question.
Children than women.
Okay, so we're looking for the difference between the number of children and the number of women. Okay, so that means we need to find the number of women and the number of children. If not, can you find the difference? Cannot. Okay, so always read the last sentence. Ask yourself, what do I need to know to answer the question? Okay, so don't do anything first. Don't do anything first. Make sure that we're understanding the question first. Okay, how do we find the difference between women and children? Do we take children minus women? Women minus children? Yes. Do we know the number of women? Yes. Do we know the number of children? No. So the first step is we need to find the number of. Find the number of.
4 minus 2.
Wait. Find the number of what first?
Children.
Children. Okay. So we need to find the number of children first. Number of children. So we're going to find out the number of children first. Okay, it's really, really important that you ask yourself, what do I need to know to answer the question? Okay, I need to know the number of women and children. Do I have the number of women? Yes, I do. Do I have the number of children? No, I do not. So how do we find the number of children? Yes, Pritika, you were saying?
500 minus 2528.
Okay, good. Is that the only step? Or do we have to minus something else again later? Very good, okay? So what we're doing is we're taking the total number of people and we're removing the women first. Then later we have to remove the men, okay? So can you guys find out what is this? 5,000 minus 2,528. Wait, Anna, let your friends work it out first.
Done.
Okay, thank you, Samaya. Hold on, let's let your friends finish working it out first. No, tomorrow's not big. They can have to squeeze a bit, yeah? Maybe you can write here also later. I'll try again. Try again, Smith. Okay, next.
Space here.
Okay. Well, I don't know why they give me such little sleeves. Kailangan i-share mo sa issue ko kung right na ito. Yeah.
But this one break the
Actually, 500. Maybe 500 as one number. Not just 50. Because you're going for the one stage, right? So you can treat the whole of 500 as one number instead of this one. 500, not 5,000. Cancel the 500. You borrow one from it, what do you get? What's left? 500 minus 1. And okay, 500 minus 1. 400 and what's before 100? 90 what? Yes, 400 and all those are 500. The 9 rules of how? Yes. And then what's the other 9? You know where is the one that you borrowed? Yeah, nice. Okay. So what's 10 minus 8? Just now you put 8, but you reached 1. 10 minus 8. Nice. Thank you very much. So 2,472. Okay, did you get this, Sumaya? 2,472?
Yep.
Okay, nice. Okay, come on. So this is when we take away the number of women. Then we still have to take away what? The number of
Men.
2,472 minus 2,049. Okay, let's do this one together, okay? 2,472 minus 2,049. 2,049. Okay? 2 minus 9, can or cannot? Cannot. So we borrow from the 7. The 7 becomes 6. Then this one becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 0 is?
I haven't started looking at
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, 4 minus 0 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is 423. Now this is the number of? This is the number of what, guys? Children. Last step in this question. The last step is find the difference. What is the difference between women and children, right? What do we do?
2,523.
Very good. Okay, we're gonna work this out together as well after everyone is done writing. Oh, okay, never mind, you can write on this side also, okay? Eh?
I don't understand.
Oh, you go right to 0.9, okay.
Two, 5, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, 2.
Okay, let's work it out together. 2, 5, 2, 8. Yes, can. Minus 4, 2, 3. Equals. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 4 is wow. Yes, it's fine. Okay, 2 minus nothing is 2. So the answer is 2105. Okay? Everyone understand how to do this question? Okay. So remember, don't immediately try and write your equations. Draw your model and understand what the question is asking for first, so you know whether you have all the information or not. Okay? Okay, guys. I want you to do this question as homework. Yes. If you are struggling with it, it is okay. Just try your best. Okay. Next week, the relief teacher will go through this question and finish up these notes. Yes. Next 2 weeks. Okay. So just a reminder, the next 2 weeks, you will have a relief teacher. Okay. I'll come back after that. Okay.
Why?
It's a surprise. Okay. Yeah, it's just for 2 weeks. Okay.
Is it my sense?
No, probably not. Actually, I'm not sure. So, okay. All right, guys. If you have no questions, please try out question 7 on your own. Okay, to the best of your ability. I will see you guys in 2 weeks' time. Now finish already.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Samaya. See you.
I thought there's 2 big grade ones.
Oh,
No, no, there's one.